guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a get ready with me. I am going to be testing out the Glam Metals Crown palette that I got in my BoxyCharm. Excuse my freaking hair, it's a hot mess express. I don't know what's happening there. Because this palette does not have a transition shade, I'm going to use the Physicians Formula Bronze Booster. This is in medium to dark. I'm just going to use this just to define my crease, use it as a crease color, whatever you'd like to call it. I'm going to start out in this palette with Wild Thing, and I'm just going to work that kind of the same way that I did the transition shade, but I'm going to try to keep it a little bit lower. I don't want it to go up into the crease too far and look too muddy. And then when I have the slightest amount left on my brush, I just swirl it up towards my brow bone. I'm going to try Glam Rock next. This is definitely more of like a brown mocha shade. I'm going to focus this on the outer corner, but I am going to put it in the crease as well. This would be a good color for a smoky eye. It looks like it has a little bit of sheen. Looks like it may have tiny specks of glitter in it, but I don't see it showing up on the eye as much as it does in the pan. Then I'm going to dip into Wicked. I'm going to use this on the outer part of my eye as much as possible. Then going into Black Metal, I'm going to very lightly smudge this on the outer V of my eye, and I'm not going to bring it in much at all. Now I'm just going to blend those out just with the first brush that we used. And then for my lid color, I'm going to use Rock On, which is like a gold shimmery shade. It has like a green undertone to it also, but we're going to try it. Yeah, definite green gold shade. In fact, I would use this with like dark green undertones. I think it would be really pretty to use with greens. Because it's not 100% green, but it does have that little hint of green in it. Huh, not bad. I am, just for the sake of this video, I like to try as many colors as I can. I'm going to put a little bit of Rebel over top of that, which is like the shimmery orange shade. I'm going to try to put just a smidge of that over top, just because it is more green than I had thought. So I'm just going to add the orange to make it a little bit more golden. So lately I've been receiving, I don't know what you would call it, hate for doing makeup on YouTube and social media in general. I've been receiving some pretty mean messages from people telling me I shouldn't be doing this, that I'm wasting my time. Why am I doing it? I'm not any good. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not a makeup artist, and that is true, I'm not. I have self-taught myself from watching videos just like this. I've watched makeup videos since I was 12 years old. This has just always been something that I like to do. But some people don't like to watch me, and that's totally fine. If you don't like to watch me in my videos, just click out of my videos or unfollow me on everything, because this is something I like to do. I have a lot of people to support me, and I have thick skin, so it doesn't really bother me. Somebody that had messaged me I know fairly well. I know who you are, and you're hiding behind a computer to message me and say mean things to me. If you want to do that, that's up to you. But I'm not going to call that person out. I'm not going to ruin their life for that reason, but I don't care if you don't like me. I don't care if you don't like the way I do my makeup or the videos that I create. I'm here to do this for me and those of you that do like to watch my videos. I'm not here to become famous. I'm not here to try and be something that I'm not. I love makeup and everything beauty. I want to share that love with other people. I want to help others find cool makeup and cool things, and I want us to share things together. I'm putting myself out there by sharing this part of my life with you, but that doesn't mean that I'm offended by people that don't like it. So if you don't like it, like I said, just unfollow me and don't watch my videos. So enough rambling, back to the video, the actual video. After putting that orange on, you'll see it did kind of like brighten it up in a gold. I'm going to use this like little eyeliner brush by Morphe, and I'm just going to run this shade right here, Glam Rock. I'm going to run it on the lower lash line. And I'm also going to run Wicked on my lower lash line. This palette definitely has fallout. I look like I have a black eye. Okay, so I am going to apply some liquid eyeliner. I'm going to use the Revlon Colorstay Skinny Liquid Liner in the shade Blackout. The applicator on this is super, super tiny. If you do have trouble applying liquid eyeliner, try and like rest your arm on like a table or something. It'll help you make like more fluid movements, and it's just a little easier. Don't you love when your eyeliner turns out like legit 2 different sizes? Everybody makes mistakes.
Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody has those days.
Okay, as per usual, I'm just going to apply some mascara. But first, I am going to curl my eyelashes. I do know of somebody that told me once, when they curled their eyelashes, it made their eyelashes fall out. If for some reason you can't use an eyelash curler, don't worry about it. Just don't curl your eyelashes. And I've been using this mascara for months now. It's the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. Works really good. I think it's like $3. One of the best mascaras I've ever used. And just a little tip, if you're like me and you're really messy when you apply your mascara, and you get it on your eyeshadow or something, go ahead and wait like probably like 60 seconds. Get a Q-tip or even just like a small dried makeup wipe or something, or even your finger will work fine, and just like go like this, it'll come right off. But don't do it while it's wet, wait till it dries. It doesn't smear your makeup. And if you want to apply false lashes instead, you can go ahead and do that. In reality, I don't wear false eyelashes unless it's a super special occasion. I didn't even curl this eyelash. Okay, so for some reason, that eyeliner, after it dries, it's pigmented when you put it on, but once it dries, it's like really gray. I wouldn't even call it black. It doesn't look as black as I like my eyeliner to be. So I'm just going to go back over it with this NYX black eyeliner. It's a matte liquid liner, so it doesn't have any shine to it or anything, and the color's just in black. Only other thing I'm going to do is, just because I'm extra, you don't have to do this, you can stop there. But I am going to add just a little bit more of that black, called Black Metal, just on the outer corner to smoke it out a little bit. This is the Walking on Eggshells trio by Wet n Wild. I'm going to use the brow bone shade. I've been using this shade a lot to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. It's just a really lightly frosted cream color. It's just a tad lighter than my skin tone, so it highlights really well for looks like this. So if you've been following me for a while, you know that last Halloween I did Coraline's Other Mother look. It's a character look from a movie. I'm thinking of doing more character looks. Let me know down below what you guys think. I'm thinking of doing, I have a couple ideas, a couple character ideas from Disney, and I'm kind of contemplating what to do. So leave me some ideas down below. Like I said, I already have some, but I'd love to hear what you guys would like to see. Up next, I'm going to be trying this out. I got this for Christmas from my boyfriend's mom. Thank you. This is the City Color Collection Velvet Lip Cream. The dark one or the lighter one? I think I'm going to go with, the darker one. I changed my mind again. Let's see, do they have names? They don't even have names. I'm curious to see if this is matte or, oh shit. So this is more of like a satin finish. Not really glossy, not matte. Actually really like... There's a bunch of deer walking. Anyways, I really like this. This is really nice. Okay guys, and that's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Hope you liked my little rant. Sorry if you didn't. If you did, girl, you got me. And thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.